Video is going to be about my unboxing of the Polar Express anniversary 15th anniversary set. I chose this. I've always wanted a Polar Express set. I also have a Disney set, but I thought it would be fun to get a Polar Express set, and I always thought of getting one. And then when I saw that this one had these really pretty painted cars, 15-year anniversary, I decided to get it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I got this a little while ago. Comes nicely packaged, of course. I'm going to just fold this under. I run my trains. I don't collect them and put them in storage. So yeah, I'm going to keep all this plastic and stuff, of course, to put it away for each Christmas. But here's the set. And it's actually, you know, they always have presented in nice box, these Lion Chief sets. Great boxes that you can just put back in the attic or wherever. I don't store my trains in the attic, but you can put them like on a shelf in your closet once you're done for the season. They're a lot of fun. They come with a nice thing as track. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to get this open. There we go. Looks like we have a tab here. My first Lion Chief set I got was the Mickey Mouse Disney one, which plays Mickey Mouse songs and has Mickey on it and has some nice little cars. And this will go around a different tree than the Mickey Mouse one. But here we go. And they're all packed pretty much the same. This one is a little different than my Mickey Mouse one. My Mickey Mouse one has styrofoam. I might do a video on that. I bought that 2 years ago. But typically they come packaged in styrofoam, but it looks like this one has a vacuum pack. And so we have, these cars are really quite beautiful because they're painted in a very shiny paint, which is kind of fun, and only for the anniversary edition. And you know, I paid basically full price for it, which is okay. I mean, I think it's $3.99 or something like that. Let me get something to cut that. Let's kind of put some Scotch tape on various spots. Where are they? Here it is. 4 positions. Right. Let's open it up. So I generally don't use the little pull ties. I just drop the train out. I see a lot of people use the pull ties. I'm worried that you're going to actually go ahead and, you know, pull something on the train. Looks like the whistle is. That's one of the problems with some of the packing of these trains, is that, you know, the whistle kind of gets bent. I think it's just plastic. But anyway, so this is a nicely painted in a shiny color steam train. And this one has 4 wheels. So it's all die cast. It's nice and heavy. The tender is plastic. And then in the set you also get, for the movie, you get a little bell ornament. It's kind of fun. So that'll definitely go on the tree. And I'll go back in the set after I'm done for Christmas. It's too hard to put away. And you also get some figures. And one, you know, when we run the train, we'll put the figures on the top. But you get some figures from the movie. You get the fireman. Well, I guess that's not the fireman. You get the conductor and the kids with a train. So, all right. So all Lion Chief sets come with their own remote that's key to the particular engine. And you can get the universal remote and use that instead. But what I like about these sets is generally the remotes always come with some kind of graphic on them to identify the engine. So you could have more than one of these around your Christmas tree, and you could just have the 2 remotes, and people could drive the train each and race each other or something. So that's kind of cool. We have the back of the observation car in here too, and then we get the power supply, etc. And then you have your literature from Lionel. I think one of those is to join a train club, something. I always like to use the technique of gravity to get things out of the boxes. And this is probably the box with the track. I'm going to use the track from my, gravity maybe not a good idea in some cases. So here's the trains. And these also are painted in shiny colors. And I wish they would have some add-on cars for the anniversary set, so I could get some more. It would be kind of fun to have like the hot chocolate milk car or something like that. You notice also that they have footprints on the top of the cars. Not the earlier ones didn't. And then there are a few characters that you can actually see, and most of them, the others are fine. And that's only on the anniversary set. And it would be nice if they had some add-on cars for the anniversary set that are also painted the same way, but I doubt they'll do that. I would like to get a hot chocolate car. This one, you can see characters in the movie are actually drawn out better, so you can see some of them other than just the silhouettes. So there we go. So now we'll set it up next. Alright, so for those of you who aren't familiar with Fast Track, I'll go over it briefly. So typically these sets come with a wall wart that basically plugs into the wall, and this one here is 18 volts. So you probably don't want to run these with trains other than Lion Chief, because I'm equipped engines, but I'm not sure about that. So anyway, you just plug it into, well, that's the adapter for, yes, you plug it into this track, which has a little hole for that, and it powers up the whole set. So it's really easy to use with the tree. My track from last Christmas. So anyway, the track has basically sort of male and female connections that basically go together like this. And I've actually taken this track apart, not really important for this video, to actually adapt it to some Lionel tubular track by actually, you can take these pins out, not that I'm recommending it, but you can bend these tabs back, and then these pins can come out and you can join them to Lionel track pretty easily. They do sell adapters, but I found that it was easy enough to do yourself, just to kind of play around the track. These pins kind of are held in by this small little tab here, so when you loosen up the tin plate portion, you'll be able to pull the pin out, which is kind of cool. So I think it's kind of fun. It's fun to kind of modify your trains. I like doing that. It's one of my favorite things of doing. So basically they just go together like this. They just snap together, and they stay together pretty good. I haven't had them separated in the tree, so that's good. They also have this one section here that you can plug in a plug and play accessory. Some Lionel accessories already have a cord, basically. You can just plug them into that track section. Enter some smoke fluid. So basically the smoke fluid is sealed, and I just took this thumbtack, if you will, and poked it in the top, and that's how you open it. Drop the train, it'll make this noise, and when you turn on the Lion Chief remote, the noise will go away, indicating that you have it running. So they just turn it to forward and start your train.